What's up, guys? VENOMBOYZ Garage, and I got a couple things going on I'm sharing with you. You can probably see the pistons in the background, so let's get at it. Here we have the new project car, a 78 El Camino SS. And of course, I've snatched the motor out of it. Check out the other videos on that. I got the pistons and everything because I've already broke the motor down. Nice clean car. But we have the 350 here, flat tappet lifters. You see there's no bolt holes. And here we got the 5.7 for the Camaro. We got the bolt holes for the Spider for the roller lifters. Yeah, I got to build both of them, waiting on parts. But yeah, that's the SS. And also, the old Nova. The old Nova. We'll go into the newly built paint room. And, oh no, somebody has started sanding on it. We're going to repaint it. Yep, going to repaint the old Nova, the 78 Nova. It has some imperfections I just didn't like. So, if you know how to paint, why not? It ain't but a couple $100 to buy the paint. Duh. Yeah, anyhow. Yeah, guys. That's what we got going on right now. We got the motor for that, paint for that. I've also got a little Jeep Comanche out there I picked up, 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder. We're gonna bring that in sometime or another. But like I said, we're waiting on parts for this. I just figured I'd catch you up to speed of what I'm doing. Check out some of the other videos. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment, and hit that subscribe button and that little bell. It'll tell you every time I post. Yeah, but that or just find me on Facebook, VENOMBOYZ Garage. Send me a friend request, send me a message. Like I said, I'll shoot shit with you. But that's what we're doing, guys. We're doing 2 motors, the new 78 SS El Camino, and we're repainting the Nova. And we're gonna work on my truck. And I got a show truck coming that I got to do. And I gotta work. But anyhow, VENOMBOYZ Garage, y'all have a good one. Oh, man, I gotta paint that engine bay. And tear all that stuff out. Be a part of CarQuest. Support your military heroes.